We're at South Suburban Bowls Club in Mackay. I've worked here for over 20 years. It's a really family-friendly place to come and have dinner or lunch. Been here for quite a few years. We were a small club. It was just like a long rectangle building. We didn't have any undercover greens. We had 2 grass greens. We just had a bar and then a bistro. We had 4 poker machines, but we've now upgraded. We've upgraded all our furniture. We've had a lot of renovations. We've now got a undercover green that we can have lights on and fans under it. We do a lot of big bowling events. We've done Queensland bowling events and even an Australian bowling event. So we've really brought the bowls to Mackay. We've just recently updated all our furniture. We think it's really important to keep everything as modern as possible. People come in and they see nice, bright, open area, bright colours. It's more of an exciting adventure than them coming in. It's like looking a bit tired. So, we need new members. We want new members. So we think that anything like that's an advantage to keep up to date and revitalising as much as we can. Members like to see changes for positive ways. Don't always go the cheapest way. Sometimes it's better to spend that little bit extra and buy something that's a lot better quality. At the end of the day, it will last a little longer. You can keep it modern by changing the decor more than changing the furniture. So if you've got a good quality furniture, that will stick around and you can modernise around it, whereas if you have to buy the furniture all the time because it wore out quite easily, well, that was a bit more of an expense in the long run. After our renovations, we had a really big increase. A lot of people coming for the first time to say, oh, we haven't been to your bowls club before, is it new? You always get a really good return for your renovations and your upgrades. So if anyone hasn't been to Suburban Bowls Club, come down and check it out for yourself and have a good time.